Welcome to Feel Fresh 360. If you're over 50 or 60 and you've noticed your eyesight getting weaker, blurry vision, trouble reading, or struggling to see clearly at night, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you a simple way to nourish and repair your eyes naturally while you sleep. And the best part? You can do it just by eating a few specific foods before bed. So grab a cup of warm water, sit back, and listen closely. Your eyes will thank you tomorrow morning. Number 1. Sweet potatoes, the night vision protector. Let's start with one of my favorites, sweet potatoes. They're not just tasty, they're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, the #1 nutrient for clear vision. When you sleep, your eyes repair the light-sensitive cells in your retina. Vitamin A gives your body the building blocks to do that. It also helps prevent dry eyes and night blindness, something many seniors struggle with. So, one small baked sweet potato with dinner can go a long way in protecting your eyes overnight. Number 2. Salmon, the eye lubricator. Next, salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep your eyes moist and your retinas healthy. As we age, tear production slows down, and that's why many people get itchy or burning eyes. Omega-3s help restore that balance. In fact, studies show people who eat fish 2 to 3 times a week have a much lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness after 60. So if you can, enjoy a small piece of grilled salmon or sardines a few hours before bed. Number 3. Eggs, the morning vision builder. Eggs are one of the simplest, most complete eye foods out there. The yolks are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and UV damage. They act like natural sunglasses for your eyes, and studies show they can actually improve the sharpness of your vision over time. If you're not allergic, having one boiled or poached egg in the evening is a perfect way to give your eyes nutrients before sleep. Number 4. Avocados, the nutrient absorber. Here's a secret most people don't know. Your eyes need healthy fat to absorb vitamins properly. That's where avocados come in. Avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats that help your body absorb vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin much better. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin E, which helps repair damaged eye cells overnight. Just a few slices with your dinner or in a small salad before bed can make a difference. Number 5. Spinach, the nighttime shield. Spinach is another superhero food for your eyes. It's loaded with the same powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, and these actually sit inside your retina, protecting it from light damage and oxidative stress. A 2020 study found that people who ate leafy greens like spinach at least 4 times a week had up to 40% lower risk of macular degeneration. To make it even better, cook your spinach lightly in olive oil. The fat helps your body absorb the nutrients better. Number 6. Carrots, the classic vision saver. Carrots are probably the most famous eye food in history. And for good reason. They're packed with beta-carotene, the same compound found in sweet potatoes. It helps regenerate the light-sensitive cells in your eyes and supports healthy tear production. If you ever notice your eyes feeling dry or you struggle to see in dim light, a small glass of carrot juice before bed can help your eyes heal during the night. Number 7. Blueberries, the eye healers. Let's talk about one of the most powerful vision foods, blueberries. They're rich in anthocyanins, which boost blood flow to the retina and reduce eye strain. One Japanese study found that people who took blueberry extract had faster recovery from screen fatigue and better night vision. So, eat a small handful of blueberries or blend them in a bedtime smoothie. Your eyes will literally repair faster while you sleep. Number 8. Raw cacao, the sweet vision booster. And finally, a treat that's actually good for your eyes. Raw cacao or dark chocolate. It's packed with flavonoids that improve blood flow to your eyes and brain. A 2018 study even found that people who ate dark chocolate had sharper vision within just a few hours. Have a small piece, about 1 square, of 85% dark chocolate after dinner. It helps your blood vessels relax and your eyes recover overnight. The perfect bedtime eye-healing combo. If you want to combine these foods for maximum benefit, here's a simple plan you can try tonight. 1 small baked sweet potato, a handful of sautéed spinach in olive oil, 1 boiled egg, a few slices of avocado, ½ cup of blueberries, and a small square of dark chocolate. Eat this about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Then enjoy a glass of warm carrot juice or turmeric almond milk. While you sleep, these nutrients work together to repair your eye tissues, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation, all while you rest peacefully. Remember, your eyes don't lose strength overnight. They get weaker slowly because they're not getting the nutrients they need. But the good news is, they can heal. When you give your body the right foods, especially before sleep, your eyes begin to repair themselves naturally. So start this small bedtime habit tonight. Feed your eyes and let nature do the rest while you sleep. If this video helped you, please tap the like button, subscribe to Feel Fresh 360, and share it with your family and friends, especially those who are worried about their vision. Your small action could help someone see the world clearly again.